Hey there, pool lovers! Are you tired of the endless clutter around your poolside? Well, look no further because today, we're diving into the ultimate solution for pool organization, the Essentially Yours Pool Noodles Holder and Equipment Mesh Rolling Storage Organizer Bin. This innovative pool cart is not just any ordinary storage solution. It's the best pool cart available in the market, and for good reason. Let's break down why. First off, let's talk durability. Constructed with weather-resistant PVC and tear-resistant mesh, this pool organizer is built to last. Say goodbye to flimsy storage solutions that fall apart after one season. Essentially your ensures longevity and reliability. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to assemble. No tools required, just follow the simple instructions, and you'll have your pool cart up and ready to go in no time. Now, let's talk space. With dimensions of 47.2 W by 30.2 L x 34 H and a whopping capacity of 73.5 gallons, this extra-large pool organizer has room for everything you need to keep your pool area neat and tidy. But what about mobility? Fear not. This pool cart comes equipped with lockable wheels, allowing you to easily move it around or secure it in place as needed. Whether you're rolling it out for a day of fun in the sun or keeping it stationary for storage convenience, the choice is yours. And let's not forget about the handy side pockets. Perfect for storing smaller items like goggles, pool cleaning tools, and more, these pockets provide additional organization and accessibility. So, there you have it, folks. The Essentially Yours Pool Noodles Holder and Equipment Mesh Rolling Storage Organizer Bin is the ultimate solution for keeping your pool area clean, organized, and ready for endless hours of fun. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to convenience with the best pool cart on the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on top-notch products like this one. Until next time, happy swimming!